Too many users or admin accounts on your MacBook and it's getting clumsy? Let's clean it up and remove the ones you don't need. First, go to System Settings. Scroll down and open Users and Groups. Make sure you're logged into an admin account, preferably your main one where your important data is stored. Now, find the user or admin account you want to remove. Click on the info icon next to it. Then hit Delete User. Enter your MacBook password and click Unlock. At the final step, you'll be asked what to do with the user's home folder. If you choose Save, it will create a backup so you can access the files later. If you select Don't Change, the files will stay on your Mac, but won't be linked to any user. And if you choose Delete, everything will be permanently removed. We're going to select Delete the home folder, then click on Delete User. And that's it. You can repeat the same process to remove multiple users or admin accounts and keep your MacBook clean and organized. Stay with Fix 369 for more quick tech tips.